Welcome to your Unreal Engine 5 one-course solution for extending editor. In this course, you're going to learn how to create custom editor messages, menu entries, slate widgets, custom editor hotkeys, and extend existing editor modules like Content Browser, Level Editor, and World Outliner for different custom editor functionalities. In the first part of the course, we are focused on the actions to assets and start with exploring the existing scripting libraries like UEditor Asset Library and UEditor Utility Library in Unreal to help us achieve some basic quick asset actions. We're also going to cover how to create custom editor messages, how to load other modules to fix up redirectors from code in order to have a correct result for searching unused assets every time. With all the knowledge we learned in the second section, we're going to add in our own custom menu entries to help us search and delete unused assets and empty folders when we right mouse button click a folder in our content browser. You're going to learn the different types of delegates in Unreal and how to read the macros for declaring them in order to understand the requirements for a successful function binding. Understanding delegates is the key for us to create more complex functionalities in the sections to come. As one of the most poorly documented areas, using Slate code to create Slate widgets can be quite intimidating at the beginning. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it step by step in the third section. We are first going to cover the smart pointers as they are the keys for writing and understanding Slate code. Then we're going to look at how to register and spawn a custom editor tab, how to use Slate code to create as text block, as list view, as checkbox, and most importantly, how to communicate with our own module to specify what this Slate widget can do for us. With all the menu entries we created, wouldn't it be nice if we could add in our own custom icons for them? In the next section, we are going to do just that. We'll first cover the concepts of the static keyword and how we can use it to help us register icons from our module. Then we'll create custom Slate style set and use it to register icons from our module to achieve what we want. Creating materials in Unreal can be quite tedious sometimes, especially when you have a lot of textures and a lot of pins to connect. In the next section, we are going to look at how we can automate this process and create materials from code. I'm going to break down the process for creating assets for you and walk you through how to create nodes and connect pins using code and editor utility widgets. We'll even use our own algorithms to help us filter out the textures we need for connecting to the correct output sockets in Material Editor. In the second part of the course, we're going to use the combination of editor utility widgets and editor actor subsystem to help us achieve actor batch selection, actor batch duplication, and randomize actor transform. Then we'll use the skills and knowledge we learned to create actor selection log through extending level editor actor menu, custom editor hotkeys, and extending World Outliner. This will be the most comprehensive extending editor course that you'll ever find online, and the applied tasks and coding challenges in every section are going to guarantee you to understand every step along with reproducing it. While you're still waiting for, I'll see you in the course.